Kanchan. This video is all about me telling you guys and showing you guys what all products I love. I thought why not share all my favorite product with you guys. So these are all the products I tested the whole year and not just once. ये सारे वो products हैं जो मैं बार बार पूरे साल लेती गई हूँ. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let me just start with skincare. All of these products are beauty products. So we'll go from like skincare to makeup to some beauty tools, and then the last will be the fragrances, which I have just 2 of them. So let me just start with the first skincare product. So the very first skincare product which I absolutely loved the whole year, and not only the single product, the whole range which they offer to us. This is none other than Mamaearth's oil, which is in the onion version. They also have many different oils in this. This is for the hair control. I have done so many things to my hair that my hair are little bit falling now, and that's most scariest thing. So the whole year I used this oil and it is amazing. If you have hair fall, I think you must try this with the shampoo and their conditioner. So the next product of skincare is Pond's moisturizer. This is the super light gel oil free moisturizer. I have super oily skin, so this moisturizer works amazing for me. So if you have dry skin, they also have different one, so you can try that. And if you have oily skin, you must try this one. I have completed 5 tubs, I guess, of this whole thing, and it is amazing. I guess if you haven't tried, it's very reasonable, and I think you should really try this once, and I promise you won't go back to any other moisturizer. Next product is a hair care product. It is the L'Oreal Extenso mask / conditioner. I use this as a conditioner. After doing shampoo, I keep this in my hair for like 3 to 5 minutes and then wash it. So this is the best conditioner. So you can also try this as conditioner or as mask. This repairs your hair like anything and it's amazing. If you have colored hair, you must try this one because it will give you that smoothness and all the frizziness after your chemical treated hair will just go away, and you should use this like the whole year. एक दो बार यूज करके रिजल्ट्स नहीं दिखते, so you must try this the whole year and then you will see. This is the tub I used for like more than 6 months, so it lasts really long. So it is a good investment. So the next and the last hair care product is this by Streaks. It's their hair serum. So it is the Vitalized with almond oil, a hair polishing and smoothing serum for soft and silky hair. So after washing your hair, let it dry for like few minutes, and then you can just spray like 2 pumps of this and just put it all over your hair and it will look amazing. And वो set हो जाएंगे. अगर आपके टुकड़े टुकड़े बाल है तो इससे ये चीज बैठ जाएगी and एक अच्छा finish आता है hairs के अंदर. So this is from Streaks and it's also one of the good products which you must give it a try. So talking about skincare, I have this facial kit. अगर आप बाहर facial नहीं कराना चाहते या नहीं करते हो तो I think that this kit is really amazing. So it is from Oriflame. This is their facial kit. जिसके अंदर 4 चीजें आती है. There is a face wash, scrub, gel and a mask which is amazing, and it's their radiant facial kit for all skin types with organic milk, honey and turmeric. So this is from Oriflame. मैं पूरा यूज कर चुकी हूँ, इसके लिए पूरा तहस नहस हो गया. Just save to show you guys that ये कैसा है and recommend it to you guys. So this is an amazing product and you must give it a try. ये आपकी स्किन को इतना glowing बना देता है and all the dirt and everything just comes out, and it's like a half an hour thing which I think you once in a month or twice in a month you should and can give it to yourself. The sweet home pamper session. Talking about your face, I have one more product for your face, which is not any skincare product, but it is for face. So it's the face razor, which you can use for your brows, upper lips, or just trimming the sides of your face. And this is from Miniso. So it comes in a pack of 3, which 2 you can see I've already used, and it stays like for a longer period of time. Generally I prefer going to the parlor, but then I think that sometimes you have this rush that आप जा नहीं सकते, then this comes really handy. अगर थोड़ा बहुत भी करना है, just apply a cream and shave it off, या फिर एलोवेरा जेल लगा के आप कर सकते हो, तो ये बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट देता है. So if you haven't tried it yet, आपको ये मिनीसो क्या Amazon से कहीं भी ऑनलाइन मिल जाएगा. So you should give it a shot. Now, skincare, skin related products are all over. So now let's come to the beauty products. So the first beauty product I have is the foundation. This foundation is from Color Bar, and it's 24-hour weightless liquid foundation, and it is amazing. This is the first time I tried this year, and it is so long lasting, so matte, and so like HD makeup. Next product is a highlighter. This highlighter is like blinding. It's so shiny, so pigmented, so beautiful that if sunlight hits your face or body, it's going to shine like anything. So it's from Swiss Beauty, and this is their bottle. It is so amazing, just like one drop. This you can use also for your skin, like shoulders, and yahan pe if you wear something off shoulder, or like me, just tube kind of thing, you can just apply it all over and it will look amazing. This is in rose gold color. This is the highlighter. It's so beautiful, so shiny. Talking about a highlighter and from Swiss Beauty, I have one more product from Swiss Beauty, and it's their liquid glitter eyeshadow. It's in this small bottle, and as you can see, काफी खत्म कर दिया है मैंने. So for wedding season, this is really amazing. It's there like this kind of a tube it comes in. This is the applicator. You just take this and you can just apply it on your lids like this. So it's really good eyeshadow. अगर आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी, this is in champagne. The shade is champagne 03 champagne. So you can try this. They have different shades as well in this, and just pop it on your eyes, and you don't need to do a lot of mehnat in your eyeshadow, and you're good. Talking about looking glamorous and all fancy, I have this lashes right here. It's the false mink lashes, and this is the brand. I got it from Amazon. You can also get it from there, and it's like handmade. और ये बहुत ही अच्छा लग के आता है. If you saw my birthday vlog, this is the lashes I was wearing, and it gave me such dramatic and such good lashes. This is really good. आपको और भी natural looking lashes भी मिल जाएंगे. This is a little dramatic one, but you can choose your kind of lashes. Last 2 products left for this whole episode, and last 2 products are fragrances. I love fragrances, beat anything, room freshener, perfume, candles, anything which makes me feel good, smell good, the surroundings smell good. I love it. Fragrance are the thing I die for. I really want to make like a perfume collection in future. So let's see, I'm collecting a lot of perfumes. So if someday I make it, I'll surely show it to you guys. So the first thing in fragrance, we have this candle right here, which is in such a beautiful blue color, and this blue color is really trending right now, and it's from Miniso. It's an apple shake scented candle. It smells so good. So this is one of the candle I love from Minis. So the second last product, I forgot, I have one more product to show you, which is a beauty product from Lipstick. So let's just keep it in last. We are talking about fragrance, so I want to show this perfume to you guys. This is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume, and this perfume has my whole heart. School times I always wanted a Victoria's Secret perfume, and it's expensive. So finally this year I saved up and I got this perfume, and it smells amazing. This is my favorite luxury perfume, and if you can spend this much, I think you should give it a shot. It's amazing. The last product which I almost forgot to show you guys is the lipstick. This is the liquid lipstick from Kiro. So this is a brand I tried for the first time, and it's their vitamin E apricot oil. So this is a really good lipstick. So they also have a huge shade variety. They also have liquid and matte lipsticks, like cream matte lipsticks, which are amazing. The shade range, it's like so butter soft on your lips. This is the shade I'm wearing on my lips right now, and it's so butter soft, and it's a little matte, like thoda bahut transfer hota hai, but I don't mind applying like again and again. So this is one of my favorite. That was all the products which I thoroughly loved, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So these were my favorite products. Comment down below if any of the products you have tried from this video and you absolutely love it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in a brand new video very soon. Love yourself and bye-bye.